Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is now addressing the meeting which President Emmerson Mnangagwa was supposed to address after he, Mnangagwa, abandoned the trip following a call of a bomb threat at the resort town's international airport. Chiwenga had traveled to the Victoria Falls ahead of Mnangagwa. Welcome back to Zim News Live, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you keep on receiving latest updates from our channel. The government has since issued a statement confirming the bomb scare. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba, in the statement Friday, said Zimbabwean authorities confirmed a bomb threat received through FastJet airline on Friday morning, prompting an immediate escalation of security measures across the nation's airports. The statement revealed that an email from an individual identifying as John Doe was received, claiming a credible bomb and firearm threat specifically targeting Zimbabwean airports. In response, the country's security systems have been placed on high alert, and a thorough investigation into the source and credibility of the message is currently underway. While our country is peaceful and all our ports of entry are well secured, such alerts on possible terrorist attacks are taken and treated very seriously, as nothing should be left to chance, emphasized Charamba. The nation has been urged to remain calm during this period of heightened security measures, assuring citizens that investigations are underway and the results will be made public by relevant government authorities once concluded. The bomb threat incident has also impacted the official duties of the President Dr. Edi Mnangagwa, who was scheduled to address a meeting in the prime resort city of Victoria Falls. As a precaution, the President has suspended his trip to allow for the ongoing investigations. Tell us what you think in the comment section down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you keep on receiving latest updates from our channel.